I've been training horses for 30 years, and after 30 years of experience, I like to keep everything simple, and that includes the feeding program. It starts with good hay, and Suregain looks after the rest with their complete feed. I feed an extruded feed, which I really like, and the horses look good and they perform good. And last fall, I had a salesman come in, wanted to switch us over to another company, and I had him look at all the horses in the barn, and they couldn't say they didn't look good. They were in great flesh after racing tough all year, and the guy walked out and knew that he was going to sell. Also, everybody knows about Wheelin' and Dealin'. He was undefeated 2-year-old of the year, named 2-year-old of the year in the US and Canada, and he was fed Suregain. And Prestidigitator also won $500,000. He was the best 3-year-old in Ontario, trotting colt, and the results speak for themselves. And for me, Suregain's my company. I've been with them for 30-some years, and I'm not looking to change now at this stage of my life.